In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Svelte apps to Netlify. Before you begin the deployment process, make sure your project configuration files are ready. This is an important first step because Netlify relies on your project setup to understand how to build and publish your Svelte app correctly. In many cases, that includes having the right build settings already defined, especially if you're using a Netlify TOML file. Taking a moment to confirm your configuration now can save you troubleshooting time later and helps make the deployment process much smoother. Once your project is ready locally, the next step is to push your code to a remote repository. Netlify works seamlessly with Git-based hosting providers, so you'll want your Svelte app available on GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. If your code only exists on your local machine, Netlify won't be able to import it directly through the standard Git workflow. Uploading your project to a remote repository also gives you the added benefit of version control and easier future updates. After that, head over to the Netlify dashboard and log into your account. This is where you'll manage your sites, deployments, and project settings. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to connect your code repository and let Netlify handle the deployment process for you. From the dashboard, click Add a new project, and then choose Import an existing project. This option is used when you already have an app stored in a Git provider and want Netlify to pull it in. It's the most common workflow for modern front-end deployment because it connects your code base directly to your hosting environment. Next, authorize your Git provider if prompted, and then select the repository that contains your Svelte app. During this step, Netlify may ask for permission to access your repositories. Once access is granted, simply choose the correct project from the list. Be sure you're selecting the intended repository, especially if you manage multiple projects. At that point, Netlify will automatically read your Netlify TOML parameters if that file is included in your project. This is helpful because it can pre-fill your build command and publish directory settings based on your configuration. Review the imported settings to make sure everything looks correct, and then click Deploy Site. Netlify will begin building and publishing your Svelte app. After the deployment finishes, your site will be live on a Netlify URL, and you can continue managing future updates by pushing changes to your repository.